Understanding icy water, a simple guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we are going to talk about the phrase, icy water. By the end of this video, you will fully understand what it means and how to use it in a sentence. So, let's dive in and start learning together. Icy water is a two-word phrase in English. The first word, icy, is an adjective that describes something as being extremely cold or covered with ice. The second word, water, is a noun that refers to the clear liquid that we drink, which falls from the sky as rain, and forms rivers, lakes, and seas. When these two words come together, icy water describes water that is extremely cold, almost to the point of freezing, or it may actually contain pieces of ice. This phrase can be used to describe the water's temperature and condition in various contexts. Now that we know what icy water means, let's look at some examples to see how it can be used in sentences. 1. Be careful when you walk outside. There was a storm last night, and the puddles are now icy water. In this sentence, icy water is used to describe the puddles that have become very cold and may have ice in them. 2. I accidentally forgot my water bottle in the freezer, and now it's full of icy water. Here, icy water describes the condition of the water in the bottle. 3. The hikers were warned not to drink the icy water from the mountain stream, as it could be unsafe. In this example, icy water describes the temperature of the water in the mountain stream. It's important to note that the meaning of icy water can slightly change depending on the context in which it's used. For example, icy water could also be used metaphorically to describe a situation or a relationship that is very cold and unfriendly. I hope this video has helped you understand the meaning of icy water and how to use it in different contexts. Remember, the key to mastering English is practice, so try to use this new phrase in your conversations or writing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.